for. This week, we are going to look at the new culture of the web. So what should I do if I want to share my daily life with my friends at once? Let's have a look at the video.
Wow, the Eiffel Tower is so amazing.
Yup, it has a long history and is one of the key landmarks of France.
It would be great if I could share it with me and Dr. Mouth.
Okay, so let's take a look then. So learning about microblogs. Blog is a mix of words. Micro and blog. In the past, we may post short messages regarding what we see, hear, and think, and share them with others immediately. So one which comes to mind is Twitter. Twitter is a tool where you get a certain amount of characters, so you can only write a certain amount of words. And it can be all sorts of things. It can be opinions, it can be facts, it can be ideas, which you can then share with everyone who follows you or who you make public. So let's look at an interface of the microblog. There are many various spaces on the web, but as a general, let's look at what we've got here. So we have a bio about who is the microblog and saying about them, information regarding about the actual blog itself. So that could be the followers or the people it's following, maybe the amount of messages they've put, and users which the microblog owner is following. So this could be key people which maybe are suggested for you. So they're like, so if it's somebody, say the Doctors with Borders, let's just use this example, then it might be a nursing or medical people to follow, something which is relevant to what you're doing. So let's carry on. Then we have our messages, and then we have important stuff. So we've got who was the message publisher. Do you want to reply, marking the messages as favorite, the posting date, all different information we can do to the post. So it can make it quite interesting. So look here, we've got, so like I said, it's a short message. We've only got 140 characters. Okay, so it's very easy to post a message in a microblog, and it's really easy to then update people very quickly with what you're doing. So if I'm going on a hike and I can easily message people, quickly message them to say, oh, look at this is what I'm doing. And it doesn't take that much time away from them what I'm doing. There are numerous ways which we can update the microblog, and that's using either computers, mobile phones, or tablets. I'd say a majority of people now will use mobile phones. Let's go to the next page. Okay, and then it promotes strong interaction. So either favoriting what the person's just said, replying. These are all tools to increase participation in the messages. Okay. So we could create a Twitter account. and then you can start following other people. So you can start following a whole range of following a whole range of people. So you might want to follow athletes, artists. You might want to follow schools, government, educational things. So then when you see your feed, you've got a feed of all different things, but they're interesting to you, not what someone has decided you're interested in. You decide what you want to pick, okay? So it's a very short lesson, but read through this chapter. I'll make a copy, and then we'll have some worksheets and some online quizzes.